some Agile concepts. Scrum. Scrum is really built off of the rugby Scrum, the big team together pushing in the same direction. What are some Scrum values? I mean, openness, respect, focus, commitment, courage, visibility, flexibility, and humor. A lot of teams kind of name themselves something a little bit funny. My team that I was part of was called the Red Hot Techie Peppers because we like the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Thought it was pretty funny. The teams are meant to expand and contract as needed. Everyone has a place to be in there. As a Scrum Master, your job really isn't to do the traditional PM role anymore. You are a servant leader. So you're there to help them get their jobs done and to lead with a little bit more soft skills than it would be as opposed to a project manager, which is a little bit more top-down kind of skill set required.